Every now and again, the weather falls in place for your build, and today is that one day a year. The sun's come out, ready for our beautiful stain on the deck. Now, to prep this, we've had the tannin and oil remover to get all these tannins and oils out of the deck, and then I've cleaned it off with the deck and wood cleaner. My next step was to choose the colour. Now, Andy's done a beautiful job with this garden, so I really wanted to get the colour scheme correct. So I've done a little sample on a piece here, so we've gone for a light oak and a dark oak. And definitely by far the dark oak has won with what's going on. Now, staining a deck is just like painting a room. You're going to use the 3 Ps. That's preparation, patience, and of course painting. Now, what do I mean by preparation? I've blocked off the area because I don't want anyone walking on my freshly stained deck. These little things are protective covers over my screws, so I've just lifted them up, and it means I can cut in nice and close, and when I drop them down, you won't see any cut lines from my stain. And then we're ready to start staining. And today, we're using the Sikkens Cetol BLX Pro. Open it up, and you want to give it a good stir. Look at those colours coming up the top, and you're wanting that running all the way through your liquid. So this is really about patience. If you rush it, you're going to get drips, you're going to miss bits, and you're not going to get a nice even finish. And it starts here, and that's looking perfect. Now, because we've got a funny angle, I'm just going to use a smaller brush to cut in this small section over here. When we talk about patience, it's not about just getting it on and slapping it on, because it is a stain, and you're going to see every layer that goes onto this. Now, you really want to choose your day as well to stain your deck. Obviously, you don't want to stain it in the wet, and if it's too hot, it's going to dry too quickly. So today, it's about 23 degrees and sunny, and I think that's a perfect temperature. Now we're cut in, we're ready to fill in the main area. Now, I've picked this big board as my border. As I said, I'm going to do it in sections just because it's a little bit warm today, and this is going off quite quickly. It's going to give us a much more even finish. Now, I'll let you in a little secret. This is my decking stain applicator. It means I can do things a lot quicker and not spend the day on my knees. And the next thing we're going to do is pour our stain into either a paint tray or our paint bucket. Now, just dip it in, load up my deck brush. As you can see, it doesn't get much quicker than that. And once again, I get to go with the grain. It's going to give me the most even finish. Have a look at that. Now, the only other quicker way to stain a deck is by roping in your mates, because they're going to want to come and enjoy a beer here. So I figure, why not come and get them involved? Well, take a look at that. We've only got 1 coat down, and already you can see the transformation we've got. Now, I've got another 2 coats to go because it's a 3-coat system, and in between each coat I'm going to leave about 2 hours. But the best thing is by tomorrow, we'll be enjoying a nice barbecue out here, and hopefully the sun's going to hold out.